FRONTIER20 is a high-end porcelain pavers collection designed to create architectural landscapes both in residential and commercial spaces. Among paving materials, it is a unique product in its kind, thanks to the perfect combination of very high aesthetical features and all the strong technical performances typical of the best porcelain pavers. FRONTIER20 is perfect for a vast range of applications in residential or public spaces. It can be installed in many different ways, using a traditional sand and limestone substrate, a stronger mortared bed, or an eco-friendly permeable method, as well as on elevated decks or raised floor systems. The collection includes a complete range of special trim pieces to seamlessly fulfill every space landscaping and design need. Trim tiles are the ideal solution for projects with excellent technical performance of porcelain stoneware. FRONTIER20 includes American Stone, a selection of porcelain pavers inspired by some of the most prestigious and popular American stones. BLUESTONE Design Project is a versatile outdoor collection inspired by the Pennsylvania native bluestone, widely used in outdoor American architecture, and now proposed by Landmark to redefine design traditions. Thanks to a wide range of premium surfaces for total look projects, available in a variety of colors, models, sizes, and finishes, able to provide highly customizable combinations. The BLUESTONE Design Project comes in 3 refined and prestigious finishes, exploring the most exceptional and defining traits of the Pennsylvania stone. Multiple colors and design give life to a choice of surfaces rich in graphic details and multicolored shades, further enhanced by the cobblestone variant. With a multi-pattern design system, FRONTIER20 boosts the creativity of any application. It's a system designed to allow a combination of multiple size patterns. MPD Big combines big sizes like 24 by 48, 24 by 24, and 24 by 36. It is ideal for wide open areas where elegance and functionality are a must. MPD Small combines smaller sizes like 24 by 24, 12 by 24, and 12 by 12 in multiple patterns and colors. It is the perfect solution for smaller outdoor areas like walkways, patios, and terraces. MPD Mini combines the smallest sizes, 9 by 9 and 9 by 18, to create refined patterns with great aesthetic variability. FRONTIER20 is more than just a collection of porcelain pavers. It is freedom. Freedom to choose colors, looks, sizes, and trim pieces within a large range of styles. A unique and complete tool to design your spaces, matching even the most demanding expectations.